Jumatato Gusii. Korwa chikaunti cha Kisii na Nyamira Goika Ensenkima eye ni Emanyie Jumatato na Evelyn Osero na Vincent Wonyanja.
Mwanchumu ligereri banande bona watika tokwaliganie ime Emanyie Jumatato.
Na manga genderete gokoreka no mwanchumu ligereri kerotroche na ekiombekeria geteneta bari mu Teacher Service Commission nigo bona yakireiro koibona gukomenta abari mu kibesa na boigo kubakinie birogo.
Igobono no mogo chiase abarokia anasokonyara komentwe nibo ase engeri yabo ya keromote nyumonchumu ligereri nyarabona ime Emanyie Jumatato na mangeto bereto gukwaliganie taro yomura William Samuel Ruto kubwatana na bwatani bande gati ya umukonyo Rigathi Gachagua niko banagendreta sorongoro rwa Western Kenya.
Mwanchumu ligereri cyaragire chinse satekera to gukwaligania ime Emanyie Jumatato tukumanye nara yatu akwaligania asenchira ere yubikira.
Nabo igabali kibaito batwaliganiria manga seri bochande ko gusansamuranira semargoba yabona nabo kwandra gutobwati agweterensembeli mtandao ensemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital nabo igensembeli ya YouTube nabo gotunyara buna Ndizi TV News.
Aso mtandao Twitter boiga nabo gotwitwetera @Ndizi TV News ere togendere gusanga nabo igo kwimanya mangi. Orito kubwatirana nere kurwa sensemo ye imanyerero ni gakuru kwa Jumatato.
Ekero kirebono eliyo gyamune chibicha erikoneke wanere Petronira Mukeira.
To kwari nte chaka senchira ya bene kurwa se county ya Kisii awase abamenyi kurwa ensemo ya matongo yotoka se ward ya Bugeka ebunge ya Kitutu Chache South me county ya Kisii bari nugo ichana kubwatikana no koira na magega koborendi asensemeyo.
Kolengana na amenyi kurwa ensemeyo ni gobaganiria serikali komukege tambo kiraso konyara gotingyo borendi asensemeyo ekorekia bwango igobutuko bogokira rero ni gabantu batamanyire bayikira na sensemeyo na kuline metestima ase baiba chigwaya chistima.
Omurikyo ito dipo nasanya nekira nasayo na gutwarganira roboti rwa senchira yobikirano.
Na ubwaruko kubwakalekana bwakalekana yakabere mono
chinsemo cha matongo nyonsia Gusii sublocation nigabamenyi bensemeywe babeire no bwoba na kwemurunganiria bikora byobusalia ebi byabere bikonekewa asamatuko abwangoiga
ono oboibu byestima babeire bokalekana amatugatari make omwaka uri oyeta ngabantu bajwagite bakarusi kiko bakyonsi pi kengo bware bwa 200 meters bakaira ekigo estima twabeke tuno mosamari umuya ekisunteka ona iranga kero kende estima nkora agendere igo yakire mona ona yakite kanyengimo
gati yabaria benyorire anene asumu chandoywe nigo bagikirege kore kyobororo na kwerera ekerengo kimechando bagwetera
chomanyene na uritwe imita na wase nyomberie imite yangu kolegas no to samira chichuma na bintu binde na nyubiro ya kunikire bagaja bakaire mita gaire report kabika opi kagenda Kenya Power ngabaeleza mbagitaro bagaja bagankonya bakagina ndiye mita chuwa ya baja barusia twenyora twasera sako banya twabera segisunte ubulindi mboyo one singi tumuro noro to soka twaranga no ina si para ya nyumuro muri to bono to ubire chuwa idongo sabe serikali na Kenya Power umuriro noro lere ryo kono ne kenyosi na abana bakuru banguru rwikukia ona twanywa micanda yatubwatire
boigo nigo barera sobwagare ebikora aho ebigenderete kokorekana ebyobusalia
ngarende bikoru ebyabere bikogendera mono na nama nonkolgere ndanga kerkende abantu bakoba edru mono muna basaba kerkende batabwati gasi ndabakora kerkende abantu bakori chipawo ona batabwati gasi bakora bakobana bwakanya batabwati gasi bo ntakanya chigasi bakora bali kwe elinde kerkende buranya na baguli na igora likia
obo ibitari gwaya kya stima kioka chingoko kigendete koibwa emechi binte bigendete koibu mobaso na botuko tali mo botuko lioka Kiombe twaba tukoitherwe gichichi kia nyonsi ng'ombe gosiborugo yagenda tego chigotoka. Igo bono tukoira chiripoti no ene serikali yaito nturikora reaction yende yose goteki.
Komenta na yweni go barukuboria gochia seke ombegia Kenya Power amone serikali kuligereria lichi buli keranu ili banyare gokonya omochando ywe.
Amanyie ng'agente kiapugorangeria kene gekaibire muna baro kuwa kebiri gorage chikono rigo monto gete. Barinde abakugura kero kende bintu bingamnebi na bakogera kero kendo bwari bugwamente kanama. Igo ngosaba ondu bese gochikogore bintu bingamnebiga serikali mune ko mubwata kane bintu byonsi pibi gosaligwa essence mengamne.
Onko buri Kenya Power ngakira nyare gotokonya gotoligeria abantu aba bago twagura chiwaya twabeka twanyora omuriro nande twaurwa.
Asense muyo gotingyo burendi nigo baboliwe komenta chinguru ili banyare kubeka byara abasali abwe.
Ono nare kubogie serikali yaitunga kamuranje tokonyo bwiwe bokeane. Abagambi baito egasimo okora menta chinguru kabisa community police ni waito tobwate gatima tinga ngutara bakare botuka angajiza mune kisasa sasaba ubwibo okorekana angarikira okenda ngatwabwatire bantu ango muntu obwatire.
Chinga kiechechio nigo baruo gosaba gocheso mugabana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati kuligereria sekta yobo chenu na kubwatuka mariogo gochia sechinya gitari.
Ali yaito naroga matongeri bensari mariogo tayo gaki mugabana ito Simbarati kwa tena kwa rua mariogo chinya gitari. Yo kwanda alikuwa buliogo ndio mpaka chenero.
Kuripoteria egetaseni kia Ndizi TV kurua sekenyoro kia matongo nyusia gegotoka imeye ward ya Bogeka ebunge ya Kitutu Chache South egotoka imeye county ya Kisii ilietalia Nendi Pon Asanya.
Biyamuno muri keito Dipona Asanya asoroboti rwa senchira yoboyekera n'umonchu muri gerego tigana yote kase county Nyamira ni gobona amenye kurase county Nyamira baba kureberengere byabo nabo igokagani kwabo ko ikerania magendero anase county yo nyiro no moyegora beko kolekana sega kiama tukabere abo bona bacha kasiri tukolia lero kubori amenye be county Nyamira kikiri bagane tiba bago ikiranigwa anase serikali ye county nsayobura wayo mugavana we county ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo
gokwana ase ward yesise imebunge ya burabuni go gatia bamenya babeire bakugania anene chira chiri cyabete chikorie wa chinga kiche campaign ko bachigwekiraniwa negatia baraya bachorire ase county Nyamira.
Area county government iligiringa every department kere keombe kere in place a government county government ibwate kia koliro mukia so kolemere manane ngo gate excellency Nyaribo na kwanete nga imirimo ayekore imirimo yao muno chikire naende okore imirimo yao mune gwenerete naende obe honesty obe sincere obe oyukurwa ebirengeri ebikiranu nekere ebikiranu birabe yekororekana ebirengeri byosipi as department kero county government yabo wirikere department yakore imirimo yao
in due course so that they be made use. We also talked about water and environment. Kisii has a lot of dams that are not being made use of. We are requesting the county government to do a thorough survey on those dams and push water through solar system to the higher levels so that wananchi can be able to get water at their homes for home use and even for irrigation.
To prepare kuburia maswali na ende to prepare ku request enough investments wono guchakira bono na kugendera sinda abatebi baunchuleri babe bagutoletera updates nere biya mwananchi kama mwananchi amanye una when you go and participate the better you get a lot of progress in your community or in your village. Buno utari guhudhuria public participation oyunero yomo guchibate bune county government temokore tikendi whereas ereta achiete a participate atebo boko mwabwate nonye ne kinyoro kiaye gekonyu either samati
Na gotigana yubono mwancho muligire ya matemo kurwase kenyero kia bunyangande gotoka ase wodi ya Sameta chinsemo chia mokwerara imeye bunge yabo base county ya Kisii nikobono yaganiriyo bokonyi maiga yo mwana obokurora sege kakumurira gotigana na mangana lengeta masomo umwana yubono bwate myaka 24 nikobono aganiriyo bokonyi maiga yo gotanyara koenderera na masomo yo kubwatikana n'uburwire.
Amate yo mwana yo asereta Lydia kwamboka ni gobatere na umwana Gusii ibore twe karibuya goika ekera yetekera skia gatano na kabere agacaga kurwara asokoro kwaye goikabuna bete kagutiga eskuru korengana no butaka burasenge yo nigo bana batebire babere bakwererwa asibaganyinirie abarayi nabo igo ondo bwatomoyo bogokonya abekawe sokya bamukonye eria begakonyora obuwenya
Omurikito Josephat Amisi ni gataro ikasenke yo na twariganire roboti rokubwatia
Amate mokuru kenyoro kia bunyangande wodi ya Sameta mokore bunge yabo basi county ya Kisii nigo yaganire obokonyi buko mubweni uyu mwabo umwana omosaiwe myaka 24 uyu kurukwa Lydia kwamboka uyu nyareko bagakurwara ase myaka menge
umwana uyu tinina no yonale tigachagete kubimbo kugoro egende giaje tukore bune getonde kikareta liyote liamuchandire bunali gabwate myaka 24 twamwire nyagitari twasugulikire twasinyiro abasamaria bagachibagacha nabarabo mbakonye mbarwite gitoro gitari gike muimo gitikurwa bakamwire nyagitari bakamusugulikira bakamupima baramburwire kiboko gerata likubena liyote bakanyoranga imiyaye urwire tabwati baba kuru ibintu biri byokobera amaguru bakamurusinya gitari bakamureta kubona umunyagitari akabukuru tauni ogoja okumurwa okumuboera kera lituko kumuchinjiri
kurengana na ngina omusao yo asiri tamiri nyabuke nigatebire umwana yanyarete ko bakwiboro buya buna bana bande nabo chaka chisemi goikera ekrasi kya gatano na kabere asa chagete gutwara egetona sokoro kwae ikikirire ane no buruiro bwo bwanyele ko boko mochanda asemya kemenge bono
mbu yarenge kurunze arenge skuru agasoma gaika 7 kaline egetonde kyokuguru wane kera ika 7 kega siti ekera ya siti abarimu bagateba tibagusanga n'abana akaruo agatebuwa no rarigeri wenjera ogosoma ikere liyote liyanene ikagera wane keraruo agacha kalende tuganza kumusugulikira pato no nyori sukurungu sugulika turege tonde ikyo eli bado mbuyale wane getonde kiamusire baga yikire una are omubere kabiri mubiro eturinge bunuri gambu yaringe kabisa buna abantu bande one amauta nararendira omubiri wikunjire gapaka no wikaransa ali wikaransa nonya nasakurara bulire nengolie kumusaboti yamwa beka bulire nande ya muimuki chunje tingo nyaraku
Meri nyabuke ni gatwenekeirie buna aneno muke bokwenekia buna umwana onyare ko bakonyora obubwenne bwa kirengencho niguboireire ko nya kirekemo nabo yokurwa saba samaria baya kurende gwikira boni gataranyara ko bakubwena amauti ayare asokugoro kwae
kono inje mboleti omusigo oyo ninje isabana aba ninje ngina abana aba support indete iyo ebintu byarenge isikatwa oniri keregendo twasulikira omwana oyo keregendo igombo ata abana babere purasienta kana nerali sister yane yakwete ekamontigera
okubwena kwade bintu kendo kindi cyose yarenge ngaba ondi bakolire tarabwena matemire koni keregendo paka no enengoko okongonde mboyo
ekorengana na Helen Mbone oyore omwamate niga atebire batemire ko bagosira engeyo kurende gwikira boniga nigo kogani kwanyarire gokoba okonene mono asanyare ko bagakuburia abantu babwate okogani okuya banyare ko bagwesokya nagosira omwana yanyare ko bagakonyora obubweni bwa bene
ga kikimoranze abahiri n'abasana na edonya toto simbarade tafadhali kimoranze muri yeri umusigo no mokon ba kunara mongno maria akita kunara nere bika mnariga ndutu atemira kokona sto kunara lakini nduri kunara twarore tiga tutamire ase muri gaki twabasabire kimoranje gaki mukone muri giri mukone
chumo torochekire turi timorosa mugendere gotokonya manene na bako bamenya bono twana sugurikire kende tikeyo ebi byalinga byonsi binakurire bono ntimugete
kuripoteri gatasini kia Ndizi TV kurekenyoro kia Banyang'ande ewodi ya Sameta mukwereme ye bunge ya Bobasi kaunti ya Kisii eliterane Josephat Amesi
Miamono morichaito Josephat Amesi no kwegena una e amateyo ne chikonyora obokonyi erio mwano yabega ko bweni wa asinyagetari nerabe unabande
nkobore gochia sabare nabo igona abantu bokorwa okwiya
Mwancho murigereria ebirengo byoko unereriwa nabo igo omuchando bwobongo nigo byabeire bikoenekiwa sekirengo keiguru mono anene asaborokiwa Bechi University ekyomono kyabirege koirera abange kwerusya bomoyo nabo igo gotiga chiskuru
aya nigagocha maigaje kyombe kemo gitariye serikali konyara kobeka nsemu yokurwa maigire chinsemo chia musocho mi county ya Kisii kyombe kiboni gabate biribone chikonyara gokonya kurwa bosemye gochia sana nabasae awasama tukabwango gabarokane kundre wana bande konyara kwerusia nonya nobomoyo
omorikeito Brighton Makori na twariganire kyorogotiro
ayubono naragerire ekyombe kyo kya Global Response to African Children's Education Grace Ujako moroberio yoko ruwa maigerio a sensemo ya mosojo ebunge ya kitutuja jesao te kaunti ya Kisii Buno motenendio monene bwekiombe kyo Mary Kibai agotoerera.
A mentorship program that's going on. This is for university students. It's a 3-day mentorship program for the university students who were here at Grace, who started actually the first cohort that started here at Grace in 2011. They are 4th years right now, and we saw also one way of bringing them back and giving them opportunities is through the mentorship program.
Boigomeri ni gareire ningi ekerenga kyomoroberio yo ase ensemo eyo.
So that they also gain the necessary skills, they ask the questions, they also have experts who are talking to them in the relevant fields so that they know, what's out there, what's waiting for them, and also how they can take advantage of the different opportunities. So we feel it's a good program for them. We also had the high schools who came and we had different conversations with them. We feel it's something that is going to help them.
Erika kemunto noyomo balibarua maigeria yo anene asensemo yobajenu.
On the health bit, we covered on reproductive health, gender-based violence, and mental health. We noticed that these are the issues, most issues that these students undergo, and the biggest problem is that they don't speak out. And you normally find that most of them end up falling into depression, and some even committing suicide. So we are encouraging them to speak up, and if anyone has a problem, you can reach out to the nearest facility, and we have also linked them up with psychologists and reproductive health champions who can talk to them and help them address some of the issues that they are having.
Job motupesh noyo mobwabali banyara bakuruna barabwa maigeria yo asensemo yoboremi.
Simply I'm supporting agriculture. In agriculture we're also mentoring the young generation to be able to know that this is where their food comes from and to be able to align themselves on what is actually happening on the ground. Also, we are supporting other programs in terms of STEM, as earlier mentioned, and health, and working with also the junior youths in the society to be able to embrace agriculture.
Abangati yabari banyara bakonyora maigeria yo asensemo eyo.
According to what we have learned here, we've learned about creating goals that are smart, creating goals that are achievable. And from creating these goals, it doesn't mean that you must have an academic achievee that will make you grow. You also can go outside there. Like, let me give a live example like me. I ventured directly into business and also agriculture. This one has made me grow my family, grow my siblings.
We expect after the program, we expect to really learn a lot. For instance, we expect to, after the program, we'll be able to write appealing CVs, and also we will be really prepared on how to attend interviews. What I can tell my fellow youths is life after school is really challenging, and they should avoid peer pressure, and also so that they can also engage their minds so that they avoid being idle. That can lead to drug abuse and also substance take. For that will make their education not to be really meaningful in their lives.
Biurti mongina niganyarega kwera ninge kogera basae ba wetera makongu awo.
Students face a lot of challenges. Those include peer pressure and also wanting to fit in. This is because in life, when you are in campus, you face identity crisis, and that makes you want to belong in a certain level. And so someone should accept their situation and also accept themselves so that they can cope through that.
Ina renjere yamo yokwene kuna abasaye ngosirubare azokonyora maigerio ao asorongorwa gusibune kiombekyo kia Global Response to African Children Education kia chakiri asezemeyo ya mosocho. Guripotere getaseni Candice TV edariane Brighton Makori.
Biamuno mulikeito Brighton Makori asorobocho rwa senchire yoboikira no mwancho muligere gotika nayo tumulikira lya kale kanisi ko yorogongorwa Gusii omurebe William Samuel Ruto nigagendrete netaro ya yasiri tukulia kabira sorongoro Western Kenya Ruto kona kora sense meyuniga mulikira mangana renge tukwamerera wa serikali go opposition asate runa tabati muchandonde bwensi nensemeli yo kwamerera serikali kwa litukulia lera sense moya Kopisiro ensemo ya Mount Elgon ase county ya Bungoma.
Ruto nigo aganirie abaraikurwa sensemire kwa mereria serikali azimio la umoja gochamo na kubwatirana ne serikali ase ugoikirania aria aganeirie asaba Kenya mononi gabire kago kwanira amangana yechsegi no gosarwa kwenibo yaba Kenya ayo atebire batachie wanjirana asainekire una asensemo ya enare tayare korosia ABC yomo ugosyo muraiwe kyama kya ODM Raila Amolo Odinga asara achie gokorera emerobere yaye na kurunge ya serikali ekeretarikirania aliabwenerete.
Tunataka watoto wote waende shule wasome. Maneno ya kufanyisha kazi watoto ya nyumbani na kuchunga ng'ombe na kwenda shambani, hiyo maneno mkomeshe. Watoto waende shuleni. Nyinyi mnanielewa? Na maneno ya kupasha tohara wasichana ikome. Hiyo maneno haiwezi kuendelea tena. Nimesema wasichana wetu wa Mount Elgon, ile maneno ya zamani ya kutairisha wasichana tuwachane naye. Hawa wasichana ni wakwenda shule. Nyinyi mnanielewa? Na wewe ukiendelea na hiyo biashara, angalia mimi kwa macho. Mimi nitakutana na wewe. Nyinyi mnanielewa? Mnanisikia vizuri? Hatutaki maneno ya kurudisha Kenya nyuma. Kenya inasonga mbele. Tunaelewana jameni? Tumeweka pesa nyingi, bilioni 630 kwa masomo ya watoto wa Kenya. Mimi nauliza nyinyi Mount Elgon, mnataka tuweke pesa kiasi kubwa namna hiyo alafu watoto wetu wapake nyumbani? Si itakuwa ni makosa? Na ni pesa yenu nyinyi mnalipa ushuru. Ndio mimi nawaambia jameni, tushirikiane, watoto wote tupeleke shuleni.
Na boiga setari yo mokonyo murebwen serikali gasha wangati ya wali bagendete netara sorongoro rwa Mount Kenya etaro ya matuka semo ya Western Kenya etaro ya matuka no kona sense milioni gobono ligati gashawa anyareka kwimuke gitambo krane kumanyia abali mibense mijo igoro yogo chikobasira asokonyara ukenya ligesa unabalimi
Gasho manonigo abeire gakokera abamenyi ba Western anene county ya Bungoma ase ogukinya rigesa gutumeka amoya yabere kubwatwa ne serikali ya serigorire isekeima asataire buna umuroberio bwokorikia abaremya sentunda yende yokonyora moyo nigo orachikokorekana na kubaganya wesokia sobunge eriyo kwerikia na konyora moyo ayo yarabakonye gukinya ebirengo byoboremi ase rogonguru.
Tumefika hapa tukiwa na rais kwa mambo ya maendeleo. Na nyinyi watu ya Mount Elgon ni wangwana. Nimetembea hapa tukiwa juu, nimeangalia mahindi, nimependezwa sana. Na mkanyangie hapo, na hivi karibuni tutaanza shughuli ingine ya kuandikisha wakulima. Wale ambaye hawakuandikishwa ndio mpate mbolea. Tumekubaliana? Ya pili, wale ya kina mama na wazee wamefikisha miaka 70. Tumetuma machief, assistant chief, wazee ya nyumba 10 waandikishe hawa ndio wakuu wakipata marupurupu yao katika kila mwezi. Tumekubaliana?
Kirayu agendrete mu Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi nero kukwana kurwase kaunti ya Bungoma igaberga kuboria serikali enene kubwatira na moni serikali chichi county anasokonyara gwikirania na kokorra abamenyi bechinsemo amagenderero.
Musalia nigatebire buna okubwatirana gati ya serikali na kukurairerea ya magendero kwene kiwa imiyense ya Kenya asimono arokana kagotogia county ya Bungoma na otabuna egatie miroberio area serikali ya bekirensemo county eyo yabeire kegwikirania.
Aya nigagocha motoka makema igayogo chengero bokorri bwechi county kose devolution asino na bo abagavana bange kubwatirana amon haba MC babiri bagotabuna gwetirase okoba wechi county ni goberwa wikera mange anobwa gachwechi bara abo gokini virengo vyobochenu.
Nataka tu nishukuru serikali ya ugatuzi ya Bungoma na viongozi wa Bungoma kwa sababu kwa manifesto ya Kenya Kwanza Rais ametoa mwelekeo na amesema kwamba angependa tuanze kuona industries zikisambaa katika counties zetu nzima 47. I want to tell you that Bungoma is a fast responder. They are coordinating and they are working very well. Tunasema heko kwenu because you are not arguing and delaying projects. Nasema hivyo kwa sababu kuna wengine katika counties zingine bado wana maswali, wanataka kusema oh this is a function of the county government, oh this is a function of the national government. Mimi nataka niwaambie we are Kenya, the 47 counties are in Kenya, and the best way to cooperate ni ile national government wakishirikiana na county government. We will accelerate development because some functions are either joint or concurrent. Na mambo ya kuhakikisha kwamba kuna kazi katika taifa letu that
Gotigana yubono mwancho morigere bono niko yabero moko gochia sabari mugosa barokia maiga yekyombe kirigete netamangane meshahara nabakuri kabari muke mukirige tambokero nawe kiroko igwana wokonyara kwa mensa engeria yabo ya kiromutenyi bono ni gabari mubaraje komentua ekerengo gya kyanda nugutaisano asemia 9.5% iye meshahara yabo asekera umutenyi.
Kurengana no musio wekyombe Nance Macharia nigo nonyana bayenekire buna aborokia chiribwi komenenye nigo barache gokiniwa ebirogo nonyana bonigo ekyombe gya Kupet nabo igokeria kyanat baganirie ekyombe ya Teacher Service Commission akoenekia buna ekerenge kikemisara kyabere kegokiniwa wikiwa emeronke 5 nomo.
In the agreement, teachers have secured 1. An increase in basic salary of up to 9.5% payable in 2 financial years commencing on 1st July 2023. An increase in the house allowance for teachers categorized under Cluster 4 payable in 2 financial years with effect from the 1st July 2023. The promotion of 14,738 teachers in August 2023 and has advertised an additional 36,275 vacancies for promotions. And these vacancies run across the divide of our teachers. They include primary school teachers, secondary school teachers, and even those teaching in special needs schools and TTCs.
Our further commitment is that the parties have agreed on having technical committees to be addressing the issues which exist between the employer and the union from time to time.
Kenya National Union of Teachers have always demanded a 60% increase of salaries across the board. I want to proudly say here today that we have already secured 10%. I want to tell Teachers Service Commission that we are coming.
Huko likiwa kuwa wanajeshi wa KDF ni wachaka bena siri tukolea chinsemo au aigasense ya Kenya inyero bono moje go kubalika abanyimba bali ba KDF go saba wanajeshi ni gora kolekana seka kiamo toka 12 alebosio asibo kurogo tindi kwa bere go kore wanomo generali yoteneta mangana yobole ndi Jona Mwange na batayabuna bali barabwatu bakubotera na samangana yobo kurumi bali mokeri gwege tambokero kilichiko
okwana chinga kiaine kia chaki wa bene kumuroberio yoni gatena babekire merobere isaine yoko ene kia bunano chikokorekana asenchera yobwasi yokuna bayigo murembe ase chinsemo ao asaborire bali baganete kwenyorera libaga wesokia eliyo gotema ebati yabo.
Recruitment of diverse cadres into KDF is necessitated by human resource and capacity gaps in the establishment and the need for continuous alignment with the defense and security environment. The Ministry of Defense is committed to deliver a transparent and accountable exercise. In this regard, any person purporting to have influence to recruit a potential candidate outside of the designated recruitment centers or mechanisms stated in this briefing must be avoided. Members of the public are advised to desist from fraud since it violates KDF values, more so the value of integrity. In support of this, oversight measures have been put in place encompassing use of intelligence operatives, anti-corruption officers, and the media. More importantly, we request wananchi in exercise of their patriotic mandate to volunteer information on any suspicious activities by reporting to the recruiting teams on the ground to the candidates aspiring to join KDF. Please be mindful that this is not a job, it is a calling. Indeed, every single day, the men and women in uniform renew their commitment to serve humanity, and this
Okungsana na nigo kogendrete kwene kiwa anena sega tiabara kiama kia UDA korwa se county ya Mombasa anene okungsana nuko nigo kwa beirego kwene kiwa akobwatka nogo taiwanana uko kogendrete gati omubunge Oyala San Homar na boigo omubunge bwebunge ya Nyali Mohamed Ali
korengana na bwatani korwa se kiama kia UDA korwa se county ya Mombasa boroni go babura bera okanyara go tugutera go taiwana kwabo na kwene kuna kwa batani barabantu bonsi korensema ya Mombasa na kuelekea sobunge ase kia megi kia UDA rwa korobo chori bene na gochoro ya ora chikurukia ebendera ya UDA anase county ya Mombasa iko chinga kecha kwatani akorwa se county yibo igobaga ni umurayibwe William Samuel Ruto kwane kebuna nkole taro murembe gati ya babunga ubabere eliko nyara kwane kebune kia makia UDA kagendrete kulikia banta bange anase county ya Mombasa.
Mutatuumiza vichwa wakati wa kuchagua atakaye peperusha bendera ya UDA utafika. Huu ni wakati wa kufanya kazi na kutimiza ahadi ambazo watu wa pwani wanazitarajia kutoka kwenye serikali ya William Samuel Ruto.
Na mpaka sasa hatuna kiongozi tutakayesema ati huyu ndio kiongozi wa chama ndani ya Mombasa, kwa sababu uchaguzi haujafanyika, na tusubiri kila mmoja ajiuze mashinani aende kwa wananchi. La muhimu ni kuhakikisha tumerejesta watu wengi kuingia katika chama cha UDA.
Obama which kanisa imesa ya Kenya nigo bwa kwaneire obokoreri which county asega kemiaka 13 asinonya nabo babiri bakogania oborendi gochase abarai au bagesiasa
korengana ne kiamekio so obomo bubwa NCCK nigo bono baganiriye katiba kunyara kubwati gwana sobokoreri bwe serikali nigo bamentire bunense ya Kenya wente goitera mange no yabere kwekirania mange goitera soko bo we serikali chuji county nigo batebira mangana linge tobo kurumi nigagendrete ko yeta kuna na kuyimira ense ya Kenya.
Invite all Kenyans to take a moment today and thank God as we look back at 13 years ago. The religious community in Kenya played a pivotal role through the Mungamano initiative for the Constitution of Kenya review process. Political rhetoric continues to threaten people and security of the citizens. This has led to the weakening of the independent commissions and offices that are meant to protect and promote justice and national cohesion. Cases of gross violation of human rights of citizens, even as individuals, all as groups, continue to be witnessed in the country. The police and security agencies have at times been used to suppress the rights of people, with arrests being adopted to silence dissent. In addition, the heavy-handed crackdown on demonstrations leading to death of nearly 100 in the hand of the police. Further to this, the socio-economic rights to food, health, water, sanitation, housing, and fair employment opportunity continue to be undermined.
Nekere serikali egenderete kwenekia mnango ikiraniere emiroberio yogosira chisemi minsi ya Kenya nigo igati ya bachumbe babere bakomoche serikali asokoreta eburukana samasomo anena asokoreta umuroberio OCBC.
Kurengana na gati ya wabunge bono nigo batebire serikali yaire chinga kichintambe asokonyara gutekerania kugania kuri gutakira sensemo ya masomo igati biro umuroberio OCBC nigo leto butukana ubunge gochya saba ibol na gochya sabana wekera boni gagento agatebona getari kirana bune gwenerete igona na wamurekera mangana rengete junior secondary school asebate birebuna sikuru cinge nigo sigareta mahega kubwate kana gutware bintu biri bitakeire asokonyara gwekera ni umuroberio OCBC anasemeli ya junior secondary.
JSS, most of the schools have actually had no education in those schools because the system is confused, and more than the system being confused, most schools do not have the required classrooms, the required laboratories, the required teachers. So we are pretending that our students are going through junior secondary school, but this first lot has actually had no education.
Hivi tumekuwa na mambo ambayo yamesemekana kwamba wanafunzi wetu katika university kumekuwa na changamoto kiasi, kwa sababu ukiangalia mishahara ambayo hata walimu wetu wanalipwa kwa sasa hivi, they are still needy. Ukiangalia mshahara ambao askari wetu wanalipwa, they are needy. Ukiangalia mshahara ambao wafanyikazi wetu wa serikali wanalipwa, ni watu ambao wako needy kwa sababu ile pesa ni kidogo.
That we also have to do, and the gates and the
Onchomo ligereria bono hayungati yali tobatogo kwarigane twanchere tonyora macha semargoba yabona kerto togosangamo naye anemeye Emanyie Jumatato.
Tetrenda somo timokomoke bonekero tokoirana sensema ya kabiri studio tokumwarigani Victor Sultan atumanye na raya yatwariganire kurwase Emanyie Chigosori tobasaguskare.
Company yuko bikuburendi ya One-on-One Security Services Limited iyo yabeire asobukoreri wetanige kakimya kitano nitatu nige kurwe bukoreri bwibirengo bwigoromono uchiase chi company na boigo nabantu asorogonko Afrika ya mocha jobis chabo imeyumu chu Nairobi nigo chire M House Woodlands Road off Dennis Pretty Road no muchukisi nigo chire Gisemba Plaza first floor egati yobukoreri bakurwa ngamuna static guarding services kubika bare CCTV na boigo monitoring mbabuate real time GPS tracking nkore ndabare abantabanene ngokora bare security consultancy nkorwa bare cyber security services nagokora security audit and surveys mbabuate boigo a unit ya K9 ngubeka bare solar systems na boigo amangana yokolenda chibesa na guchiena na guchia sechitakeire gose cash management ngokora bare private and forensic investigation biometric and visitor management systems nkwegelia bare amangana security alarm and fire fighting equipment na electric and razor wire fencing ilyokumanya mange mono aliyabagokora bakirisi gakichinde chonsi iliyonyoro bukoreri bwibirengo bigoro One-on-One Security Services Limited oborendi chinga kichonsi.
Ngakende ngiana ndo mwancho muligeria chinga kingo kwaligania ase Emanyie Chigosori
Manyari agendete gukorekana korwa ase ebirugo by'ekigosori elitalian Victor Sultan obangi tuyachakire ase county ya Homa Bay abasemega yogo chakabene bwe ligi ya KPL timu ya Shabana nigo yanyoleto gwakwa maiga yoko baligania timu ya Murang'a Seal asegeti kia Raila Odinga Stadium imeye county ya Homa Bay na gwakwa egoliemo ase yesegero bosyo bumugabana Simbarati no mugabana Gladys Wanga egosori ya negative gose egoli yabegetwe ase chitegeka chokomendo maiga yoko era chiteke mirongo kyanda cyogosori ya Butambe asigati.
I think this team have been together and they have worked together for long. And the way they come in the Premier League is just the way they came from national NSL. So I feel great, but more thanks to the player because they have given their 105% playing away and coming with one goal. It's good, but I was expecting even 4 goals or 3. Yes.
Maybe what's your target this season now that you're in the Premier League?
I think I can't give you the target before I play 5 matches. Yeah, the 5 matches, then I will be able to tell you my target. Yes.
And during the transfer window, how many players did you bring on board and how many did you drop?
We got 7 players who came back to the team. Some came back to the team and some they left to other clubs which are high, like Fabian, he was there. So I think it was good to have the players we have because even you see our goal scorer is a new player.
Gaki ligi ya Kenya Premier League ya chakirabene ligi ya NSL bado nigo ere somutmoko abo asikitimu au chigandrete kuyaliga bosio bwe chaka kwe ligi yo timu ya Gusii FC nigo yaliganetie gosori ya kibosani eyowe pima chinguru ne timu ya Naivas asegetikia Mosocho Academy litkule Jumamosi abo asegosori ya ere tema kaliyo tebekana goliende timu wose ligi ya National Super League nigo erobeiri ochigo chaka chitariki 15 ne ya mochi nyogocha abo ase timu ya Gusii FC erobeiri ochigo kora egosori yabo entangani kegima ne timu ya Vihiga Bullets.
Kata! Gauka! FIFA ribao!
Amamiyoko World Athletics Championships nigo agendrete ime ya Budapest imense ya Hungary abwase abakenya bagendrete korokia egosori gose okunianjoka ukuya kigima maiga yomonianjoki Faith Kipegon kubwa amamiyoko yechimita chiribwisano